Alright, welcome back guys to another episode of Howell Farms. Today we are gonna go hunting. Alright, I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube. Like I said before, been really busy trying to catch up everything that needs to get caught up and get done before deer season, so that got a little delayed and is actually into deer season now, but we're good to go. So today it's Veterans Day. We're going to go over here to where we put our mineral site out, which I'm sure you guys are familiar with that. We did hang a stand, but I'm going to hunt the ground today because we're still trying to see where the ducks are coming in and out of this hole at, where they're going to be at, because we got to get in that swamp and open us up an area to duck hunt. So I'm gonna bring y'all along when I do that too. Maybe this weekend. I might get to tomorrow, I'm not sure, but we're gonna go sit the ground. I have a new Millennium tree seat that I bought at the end of last year. I have yet to hunt out of it. My buddy has one and he loves it, so today we're gonna use that. I've sat on it hooked on a tree. Seems very comfortable, but I want to get a little different angle, see the swamp, see if there's ducks in there yet. I don't know if any ducks have come to Mississippi and are in our swamp yet, but we're going to see today. And then try to shoot us a deer as well tonight. But the weather kind of sucks. If y'all can see, it is rainy outside and a little windy, so we'll see what happens. But hopefully we won't get rained on. The forecast shows that the rain has moved out, but you never know. Mississippi will say, oh, no rain, there'll be a cloud in the sky and it start pouring. So today is hunt day, finally. So I'll catch y'all in the woods when we get out there and get everything set up, and then we'll get back to it. All right guys, before I get too carried along about saying I'll see you in the woods, there's my truck back there. We gotta go way over there. Usually I'd have my four-wheeler, but it's down for the count right now, getting some work done to it. So the gentleman that I'm using his property to hunt has transportation, but he's out of town. He'll be here before it gets dark, but I want to get in the woods over here a little earlier than he's going to get here. So I'm gonna walk out today. He said he'd come get me when it's time to go. So here we are. Got all of our crap. We're going across the field. So see y'all on the other side. All right guys, we are back here in the woods now. The field is there. The field's there. This is usually where the swamp is at. It's muddy, but there's not standing water. So I picked a tree with a bunch of low-hanging stuff on it. I'll show you in a second. And our mineral site's over here. Now, there's a pine thicket right here. So I'm sitting at the edge of this pine thicket. I know the deer come out of that field. They cross right here, and they go off into that field. So that's our plan, is to catch them cutting through. But we'll just see how it goes and hope for the best. Like I said, we're hunting the Millennium tree seat. This tree's got a bunch of cover on it, so the deer come out of that field, they cross through here, right here, and they go to that field. Or they actually walk around this whole entire little swamp thing. But today, this is what we're gonna do. I was hoping there's gonna be more water in here, but that's our duck hole, but it's not filled up yet, so hope for some rain, guys, because that needs to be full. So we're going to set up on this tree and start the waiting game. So let me get set up, get this bag off, get my vest off, then we'll get back to it. duck slough that we were gonna try to look at today doesn't have much water in it. Actually, all that's supposed to be underwater, and it's not. This usually has water in it where I'm sitting. As you can tell, it's super muddy, but it's usually underwater, so we get a lot more rain. Because if not, we're not gonna have any ducks come the beginning of duck season. But I've never been in this situation in this time of year. I've never seen it, so I'm not really sure if it holds water at the beginning of the season, the middle of the season, or towards the end. Now, I know it has water at the end because last year we got permission to hunt it after duck season, and we put a camera out here, we put a duck feeder, and there was plenty of ducks. Today I was going to scout. We were trying to open up a hole in there because it's all pretty much like this. See all that vegetation? See all this vegetation like this? That's pretty much how the whole slough is, except on the other end. Now, when I was putting the duck feeder out, none of the ducks were landing by the duck feeder. They would just swim over to it. So I think I'm gonna make a hole out in the middle. We're just gonna hunt the middle of it, but I was hoping it'd have water in it. I was gonna come out here tomorrow morning and sit in the dark and watch the sunrise to see if any ducks were here. But now that I don't see any water in it, in the morning I'm just gonna come out here and deer hunt. Then after we're done deer hunt, we'll look at it and we'll give you a better update on what's going on with the duck hole. But back to hunting. This Millennium tree seat. I don't understand why I waited so long to buy one. I could take a nap in this chair right now. It's super comfortable. And highly recommend it. If you like to hunt the ground and you don't want to sit on the ground, this seat is the way to go. So, if you want one, I'll link it down below to make it easy for you to find it. But pick one up. Definitely the way to go. This is the time that we come in and out of here, but that's before it started getting cold, so I hope y'all can hear me. This thing ain't scratching, but just gonna have to kind of just wait and see, you know. But I do love this tree seat. I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't have one and you need a seat where you can hunt the ground, this seat's where it's at. It's super comfortable. Excuse me, I'm overcoming a cold. I'm trying not to cough, so if I stop talking, it's not trying to be awkward. It's just I'm trying not to cough. So, but there was a deer killed right back here in this field right behind me Tuesday, and today's Thursday, so it's a couple of days if I hadn't had any activity, but well, no one's been out here, but we'll just see what happens. About to get picked up. Walking out of the field, walking out to the field. Now, stick just hit me in the face. Scared me to death. So. Well, till next time. Well, there you have it, guys. There's a day of adventure, fun. We went hunting. I didn't see anything, but we're gonna be back at it tomorrow. Hopefully we'll kill something in the morning. If not, that's why they call it hunting. There you guys have it. Until next time, I'll see you in the woods.